What is up, guys? We are back with another video. It is time for another BT21 video. Can you believe it's been 4 months since the last one? I can't. They've released so many products since June that it's just like, I have a lot of backlogged items to talk about for BT21. I honestly don't even know if I can keep talking about every single item anymore, just because there's just so many now that they just keep coming out with, and it's just... This particular BT21 video though is focused only on their Halloween line. You know, last week was Halloween, but some of my stuff came late, so I'm just getting around to this now. Let's just get started. The first items I'm gonna talk about are on the phone. They did release some wallpapers. I'm definitely planning to use it all year round, but this is what one of them looks like. And Van is actually the moon. And this is what another one of the wallpapers looks like. They have a bunch of other ones. I'm gonna put the link down below so you can go download them if you would like. Next item I'm gonna talk about is another sticker set. If you've heard me talk about the iMessage stickers, they did release one specifically for Halloween. It is definitely my favorite set of stickers so far for iMessage, so yeah, I really love it. I talked about these stickers in my second BT21 video, so you can go check that out if you have no idea what they are or how to set it up or anything like that. So now we're gonna get into the actual items. Some of these items were from the Line Friends store in New York City in Times Square. The other ones I did have to order from Korea because the Line Friends store in New York did not carry them. I absolutely adore cute little Halloween themed things because that's just what I like. I think all holiday themed things are pretty cute, but like I said, I do like the aesthetic of Halloween. So I got a bunch from here because I don't really anticipate that I'm gonna get too much from like any other holiday line. So yeah, let's move right along. The first thing I'm gonna talk about is one of the Halloween hoodies, which I am currently wearing right now. I got the purple one because purple is my favorite color. They do have a black one and an orange one. The purple one has RJ, Koya, and Tata on it with a cute skull that has Van's eyes. It says Spooky Halloween BT21. There is nothing on the back, and the sweater is a cut-off sweater with different sleeves attached. It is cut off here for this base color, and then they are striped sleeves. All the sweaters have striped sleeves. The fit is pretty comfortable. The shoulder is all the way down here with a shorter arm sleeve. Just like a bunch of their other sweaters, it has a loose, baggy fit. There is a hood on here, so yeah. Another detail that I found pretty cute is that the strings for the hood are twisted. I think it's a really nice detail. It also has the kangaroo type pockets. On the bottom left part of the kangaroo pocket is the BT21 tag. It is this kind of material that is not fuzzy sweater material, so it doesn't feel too heavy and like hot in here. This is a size small. I normally wear size small in hoodies, and I think the fit is pretty good. The next item I'm gonna talk about are the Halloween standing dolls, the plushies. They are freaking adorable. I love them so much. They're super soft, just like the cushions and any of the other plush items that they have. I'm just gonna go through what they look like. This one is Chimmy for Halloween. He is a mummy. All of them have the tag with their name on it. This is what he looks like in the front, and this is what he looks like in the back. Here's RJ's. He is the Grim Reaper. Unfortunately, he does not have a scythe. I am thinking about making one for him because I feel like he is incomplete without the scythe, but he has his cute little cloak. This part is longer, so you know, if you set him down, it kind of looks like it's dragging along there. Yeah. The interior is orange, and you can take the hood off. So this is what it looks like. And his hood also has little like ear horn things, so Yeah, next is Mang. He is dressed up as Frankenstein. He has a cute little shirt here with little sleeves that are ripped looking, which is adorable. His heart-shaped nose is stitched on, and his leg is also stitched on. He's got like the metal node things, I don't know what to call that, but the ones that normally stick out of Frankenstein's neck, he's got them right here. Yeah, that is Meng. Next is Tata. As you can see, all of them are orange and purple. Tata's head is orange instead of red. I think he's dressed up as a vampire, particularly Dracula, with his little cape thing with a high collar. So next is Shooky. I think he is some sort of bat creature. He's got his wings. He's got horns. He's orange. And we have Koya. He's got the wings just like Shooky and the horns, and oftentimes he's depicted like upside down. That's why his arms are like this. So he might be a bat vampire creature. Last but not least is Cookie. I think I like Cookie's Halloween design the best because I like skeletons and skulls. His ear is still folded down as usual, and it's cute because he has a bone up here on his ear. He's got bones on his arms and legs. He's also got 4 ribs and his spine and his hips, his pelvic girdle. This is the back, and yeah. That is Cookie. The next item I'm gonna talk about are these silicone magnets. You saw a preview of these in my last video. If you watched that, this is what it looks like. At the top corner, it just says Halloween Koya magnet or Halloween whatever character magnet. On the other side, BT21. It's cute because they have a Halloween themed backdrop. This is just what the back looks like, but they are silicone magnets just like their other magnets that they have. So I'm just gonna flash through all the magnets real quick. The next item I want to talk about is the Halloween blanket. It's about to be winter here in the Northeast United States, so this is gonna be super handy. It comes with its own bag and it has the tag here that says BT21. I think one of my favorite things about the BT21 merch is that they come with cases for things. Like this came with a bag, the cushions come with a dust bag. Some of the other items also come with a dust bag protective case, and that is so handy. Bless them for doing that. So this is the blanket. This is my first time opening it, so... Oh my god! It's so cute! Okay, I don't even know how to show this. I guess I'll hold it and just like walk across. This is the top. And then there's Tata, and in the middle it says Spooky Halloween BT21. And then Jimmy, did I go that way already? I don't know what way I'm going. Cookie. Oh, at the bottom, RJ. Some potions, some bats, some skulls, some ghosts. And first of all, let me tell you how salty I am that there is no Halloween van merchandise. If you guys watch my other BT21 videos, you know Van is my freaking favorite. Look how adorable Van is as a ghost. You're telling me you couldn't make any merchandise for this? He looks so stinking cute. Even these Van skulls are so stinking cute. There's just a missed opportunity, okay? The opportunity was missed here. The blanket itself is super soft. I'm not sure if you can kind of see the texture. It's that really plush microfiber material. Oh, is this okay? Oh god. Okay. Oh. Here's the blanket. I'm sorry it doesn't fit in the frame. I'm gonna be talking about the socks next. There are 8 pairs of socks. I got 6 of them. The other 2 designs didn't really speak to me that much, so I just decided to get these ones. They are all for the size women's 230 to 250 millimeters. That usually means size 6 to size 8. So this sock has all of them on it, which is why I liked it. And they are all kind of like tall crew socks. This next one is purple, green, and black. My absolute favorite colors. And it has RJ at the top here, and on the other side, a skull. The Koya ones are almost the same color scheme, except it's more of a cool blue toned purple instead of this more red toned kind of eggplant purple. There's Koya chilling upside down doing his bat vampire stuff, and on the back is a coffin. This one is Cookie's variety. It just has his head over here and on the back. To be honest, I don't even know what this is. It looks like splat marks or splatter. Maybe it's supposed to be blood. You know, I'm not really sure. Could be vomit. Who knows? Who knows? This next one is Chimmy, and it has Ghost Van on it. So, you know, I had to cop Ghost Van. And of course, Chimmy. Chimummy. Mummy Chimmy. Lastly are these purple socks, and they have a shooky, but instead of being the vampire bat or a ghost like he is on the blanket, he is a spider, which is also really cute as well. So the only other items they had for their Halloween line are a keychain, a coaster, and a mug. So this is the mug. I got Cookie. This box. On the top, it says Spooky Halloween, BT21. So here is the mug itself. It's a super tiny, cute little mug. It holds 9 fluid ounces or 290 milliliters. It is a ceramic mug, and the base is white. The detail is up here. The rim of the top is purple. On the back in purple, it says Spooky Halloween BT21. And on the front is the character of the mug. For Cookie, it says Spooky Cookie. And for the other characters, sometimes it says something different. But that is the mug. Also, it says do not use in microwave, ovens, or ovens. They don't recommend heating things in this mug. Just something to note. You don't want to ruin your mug or your beverage by heating it up in here. So this is the Halloween key ring. Once again, I got Cookie. The background of the packaging is really, really cute. Ghost Van #1. This is what the back looks like. It looks like another silicone material, so it is bendy. On the back here, it says Halloween. Yeah, that's the Halloween keyring. Lastly is the coasters. The packaging, once again, is ridiculously adorable. This is what the back looks like. The back of the coaster says Spooky Halloween BT21, and on the front is where the design is. It's the same exact design as the keyring for Cookie. The material it is made out of is also silicone, and that is the Halloween coaster. That was it for all of the Halloween items for the BT21 Halloween line. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. As usual, there's going to be a lot of information in the description box. I will include the prices and everything down there. It is, however, as you know, past Halloween, and these were a Halloween limited run, so I'm not sure what the stock is looking like. In the New York store, we only got the plushies and the mugs. In the LA store, I don't even know. If you're looking for these items, I think there probably should be some on sites like eBay or Amazon. It is hard to tell what you're gonna get because there are scammers out there, and most likely, since it was a limited item, they are gonna be price jacked. So I'm looking at Amazon right now. There are some that look cheaper, like this cookie doll for $15.99. That I would not trust that. There is no one in their right mind who would sell an official item like that for cheaper than what the original price is, especially a limited item like this. Almost all the prices are gonna be extremely raised, so I would not trust anything where the prices seem too good to be true, because in reality it definitely is too good to be true and it's probably fake. So I'm on eBay right now. I definitely would not trust this listing for $16. There's a lot of items where it seems too cheap and a lot of items where the price is seriously like, why is the blanket there for $98? Like why? I would also suggest looking for sellers that have taken their own pictures. For example, this coaster listing, to me it looks more legit than these two, seeing as for some reason they have the same two pictures and that picture is being used everywhere. Try your best to do the research, look for original pictures, look for good seller ratings. Those kinds of things are important to pay attention to when you're trying to kind of add to your collection, just so you can try and avoid being scammed, so try to keep that in mind. As always, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you like this video, you can hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it, or if you'd like to subscribe, you can do so down below or at the end of this video. Like I said, I have a bunch of backed up BT21 videos. I've got videos to do for the regular line store stock. I have some Monopoly and BT21 collab items, also the Hunt Innerwear pajama items. So there's just a lot of BT21 videos coming up just because I need to catch up. I'm super behind. That's it. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.